Today's video, I will share with you. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best robotic lawn mowers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user review before creating the robotic lawn mowers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the robotic lawn mowers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Miniature Electric Remote-Controlled Lawn Mower. This compact and efficient miniature control lawn mower is powered by an electric motor and designed with crawler tracks for easy maneuverability. The remote-controlled operation allows users to handle it conveniently, even on tough terrains. Ideal for home gardens, small-scale agricultural uses, or professional lawn services, this mower is highly customizable. The inclusion of a sickle bar ensures precise weed cutting, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Number 4, Multifunctional Remote Control Lawn Mower Robot. This cordless, multifunctional robotic lawn mower is designed for efficient grass cutting. With remote control operation, it offers easy and safe lawn management, making it perfect for lawn mower factories or agricultural applications. Its weed-cutting capabilities, combined with a robust design, make it adaptable for various terrains. This machine is customizable for specific needs, ensuring an optimal performance for a wide range of lawn care tasks. Number 3, Newly designed robotic gasoline lawn mower. This robotic lawn mower features a modern design tailored for efficient garden and agricultural use. Powered by gasoline, it provides a strong performance, capable of handling large lawns and fields. Fully customizable, the machine can be adjusted for different lawn care needs, and its robotic function allows for convenient remote operation. Ideal for delivery services in garden maintenance, this unit simplifies weed cutting and grass trimming with ease. Number 2, Self-Propelled Gasoline Remote Control Grass Cutter. This powerful robotic lawn mower is gasoline-powered and self-propelled, making it easy to navigate through gardens and uneven terrains. The garden crawler design ensures smooth operation while cutting grass efficiently. Fully customizable for different needs, it offers remote control convenience, ideal for both domestic and agricultural settings. The machine's robust gasoline engine provides powerful performance for tackling heavy-duty tasks. Number 1, All-Terrain RC Grass Cutter Robot Lawn Mower. This CE and EPA-approved remote-controlled lawn mower is designed for all terrains. Featuring rubber tracks for stable movement across varied surfaces, it's built to handle tough agricultural tasks. The robot can efficiently cut grass with its versatile design, perfect for both domestic and commercial use. It's fully remote-controlled, allowing the user to manage it from a distance. The machine is customizable based on user needs, offering enhanced control and precision in large-scale or small-scale grass-cutting tasks.